Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the NVIDIA display. Settings are not available in your Windows 11. The first thing I want you to do is come to the search bar and type in a device manager. Okay, open up your device manager, and from here what I want you to do is look for display adapters and click on this down arrow and you will see your display adapters. I want you to go ahead and right click on your NVIDIA GeForce and just go ahead and click on uninstall device. So whatever your graphics card is, uninstall it. And as you can see, it has been uninstalled. And I want you to come here to action, click on action, and then click on scan hardware changes. What that is going to do, it is going to go ahead and reinstall the adapter. And then what you need to do once it has been reinstalled, you just need to restart your computer. Okay, and once your computer has restarted, you can go ahead and head back, okay, to the NVIDIA Control Panel. So as you can see, it has now been reinstalled. Once we restart our computer, come here to NVIDIA Control Panel, open it up, and that should have solved your issue. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.